So traders, today we're going to be looking at the bigger picture on basically the mining indexes, silver and gold and stuff like that. And why I believe this is the calm before one big massive storm. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's get straight into it. Make sure you subscribe, bell button, thumbs up, all that down home country goodness. And guys, if you really are struggling with your trading right now, then grab access to my Master Trader Lab, 95% off. I promise you, you'll be making more progress in the next 6 months than in the last 6 years following what you're going to learn in the Master Trader Lab. And I'm giving you a money back guarantee as well too. That's how confident I am. Just go get it, all right guys? Because it's going to help you. And hey, if it's not right for you, let me know. You get your money back, so no risk to you at all. But that sale's running out soon. Go very first thing in the description. Now, it's calm before the storm. What is going on? All right. A lot of the times you'll see the markets do this, right? You see the markets, they very, very active for a while, and then they go very, very, very quiet for a while. Now, when the market goes very quiet for a while, that's when you want to be keeping your eyes a little perked up, right? It's like the lion in the forest, or lion just hiding behind the trees, and they're sitting there and they're waiting, and he's waiting and he's waiting and he's waiting, and suddenly it's very, very quiet. It's like, okay, then I'm gonna sit here. Then suddenly he starts to hear a little bit of a noise, do-do, 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 you know, and that's the sound of, 2, 3, 4 Ks away. They're hearing the sounds of maybe a stampede of zebras coming along, or buffaloes, or cows, or one of those. And he starts to prick his ear up, but he's still sitting there patiently waiting. Oh, I can hear something coming very soon. So he sits there very calm. He waits, and suddenly he hears the sound even more, getting do-do, do-do, and then you hear the stampede coming. He goes, suddenly he starts to really prick his ear up, but he's sitting there patiently waiting, and BAM! He grabs it and he's off, and he eats it, and he has his meal for the next few days. That's what's happening with the markets right now. When I'm looking at the mining stocks, we're looking at the GDXJ. Looking at the GDX, they're all basically making the same formation, making the same pattern, and that is the calm before the storm. And that's why I see a very big move coming soon, because when the market does this pattern, when the market doesn't do much for a while, just like here, that you end up starting to see nice moves out for a while, for a nice big move. Now, big move, guys, means probably over the next 2 to 3, maybe even a month or so, we're going to see a nice move up and a nice move up, somewhere around about there. Okay, so that's what I see in the markets. This is the calm before the storm effect in the markets, and especially if we look at that weekly chart, we can just see, look at this here, very nice move up, pull back, and we're getting another nice move to the upside. And look at this here, nice little pullback sort of phase. You're going to call it a bull flag, whatever you're going to call it, but the whole thing here is this calming effect, aka pullback in the markets. I believe it's getting ready for us to start to see something like that real soon. Now again, not in one day, guys. Same for the SILJ. Look at that, a nice little pullback. And if I go to the daily charts, look at all this here. Since August now, we're getting into October, so now so it's over 2 months of quietness, not really much going on. And you know what happens when that happens, right? We start to see some nice moves. We start to see the market start to trend again. And if you were watching my videos back here when the SLV was around the $23 mark, I didn't get I started saying around probably maybe even around the maybe $21 mark, and the GOD around the $180 mark, somewhere around about there. I was saying that no FOMO, we expect a pullback, everyone called me an idiot, blah, blah, blah. John, you have no idea what you're doing. And then now look what's happened, we've got the pullback, okay? So, right now, on the GOD and the SLV, the mining stocks, the metals, we're getting this calming effect, this calming period right now. And so I want you to keep your eyes perked open, because there's going to be amazing opportunities to benefit from that next storm, from the line jumping ready. And if you are not ready, then you're going to miss out. So you need to be watching, waiting for a really good trading setup. Whatever you follow, whatever patterns you follow, then follow that. If you don't, then get at least a pattern or some patterns that you follow. The worst thing you can be doing is, trading, all different types of trades, all different types of patterns, and then no consistency there. So that's what you want to be focusing on moving forward in the market. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, guys. This is the calm before the storm. Go get the trading course right now, guys. Master Trader Lab, over 10 hours worth of training. And this is stuff that's really helped me make a massive, massive difference. Very first link in the description, guys. Go do that right now.